Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 25 Main Street, Kingskettle. If you are looking for your next family home, then this is the one for you. You're getting 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, detached property, finished to such an incredible standard. The attention to detail throughout is just beautiful. You're also getting gorgeous views to the front while being situated in this really idyllic village. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 25. Isn't that just beautiful? Straight away you know this is going to be absolutely stunning inside and to such a high standard. But this is your property here. So you can see driveway there, easily fit 3 cars on the driveway. You have your integrated garage. And then this is your property just here. And you do get access down the side to get to your garden at the rear. Isn't that just stunning? Now in terms of location, lovely and peaceful, but you've got your bus stop just there, which is ideal for getting around, and then just along there you have Kingskettle Primary School, and then that's the view to the front, so you can see the Lowman Hills just there. But isn't this just beautiful? So peaceful. And then this is your property, so you can see those Velux windows there giving you that beautiful outlook to the front. So let's head inside and start the tour. So you enter into your generous sized entrance vestibule area. So as we go throughout the property, I will point out the features and the attention to detail, because there has been no expense spared with this property. Absolutely beautiful, and you can see that straight away as we step in here. As always, we're going to start upstairs and then work our way down. So we'll head up the stairs, but even just I love the landing of this property as well. As we wrap around the stairs, you come to your upper landing, and isn't this just beautiful? I just love this space. It's so bright, that glass feature, and as well you have not one but 2 Velux windows, letting in plenty of natural light. Really opens the space up. So don't forget 4 bedrooms. So we're going to start at the first one and work our way around. So we come into one of 4 bedrooms. Instantly you'll see just how bright this is. The sun is beaming in today. So great first bedroom. You've got gorgeous countryside views to the side just there. But this is one of 4 bedrooms, so generous size, plus you get the great addition of these fitted wardrobes, so ample storage. And that's another great thing about this property, is there is plenty of storage options. And then again, you've got those Velux windows to the rear, plenty of natural light flooding in. So we'll carry on. But look at that. You would never get bored of this. Absolutely love this space. We'll then come into your contemporary family bathroom. Now this really does have the wow factor. Absolutely love this bathroom. So we'll start with the enclosed shower. So you have your thermostatic shower with rainfall head. Great size. Then you have your vanity unit, WC, again that natural light flooding in. Then you have your heated towel rail, but my favourite part is this gorgeous bath and this space just here. You can just imagine unwinding at the end of the day. Just beautiful. You have that floor to ceiling marble. This is just beautiful. Absolutely love this bathroom. Then we continue into a further bedroom. So again, even just from the solid doors, the chrome handles, the attention to detail, it's just beautiful with this property. But then we come into your really generous sized bedroom. Again, you can see you've got your fitted wardrobes. Such a bright property, it's just beautiful. Give you an idea of the size. So plenty of space with this one. And then storage continues. You just have a storage cupboard just there. Now, this is where a surprise comes in that you're maybe not expecting. So this is your master. So again, a really generous size. You are spoilt with this property. You're getting your fitted wardrobe, so plenty of storage. But imagine waking up every morning and this is your outlook. Isn't that just beautiful? So you're getting your gorgeous views. Let's just zoom in so you can see it. You've got the Lomond Hills just over there. Not looked into either. What's great is all the windows do have your fitted blinds, so you can easily pull that down. So you've got complete blackout in the evenings. That's if you want to close them or if you want to fall asleep looking at the stars and that beautiful view. And for during the day, if you just want a bit of privacy, you do also have built-in more of an opaque blind as well for privacy. But isn't that just beautiful? So this is your master. And the surprise that you're maybe not expecting, but is such a brilliant feature, is we go through this door just here and you enter into a shower room. Look at this. Again, really high standard, contemporary. So you're getting your WC, wash hand basin, large walk-in shower, thermostatic, again with your rainfall shower head. But even from all the downlighters that are throughout this property, the attention to detail is incredible. You've got your designer radiator. And again, that view to the front. You will never get bored of that. And what's great is, and it's been well thought through, is standing in the shower on a morning, that is your outlook. What a great way to start the day. It's a beautiful bathroom. And a final surprise is we head through another door. It's the property that just keeps giving, but you come into what is currently being utilised as a dressing room area. So, or this could be your fourth bedroom if you need to use it for 4 bedrooms. And then you just have the beauty of the Jack and Jill, but it is currently just a dressing room area. Again, you're spoiled because you have those gorgeous views. You can see just along there. So as I was saying before, just down there is the Kingskettle Primary School. And again, you've got your bus stops also. But this is your outlook. So beautiful. And then you have a further window at the side as well for, again, your outlook and that natural light to flood in. And what's great as well is another door, and this is actually currently a walk-in wardrobe, shelved and hanging storage. So a great addition. But that is your fourth and final bedroom. Then we come through and we're back out onto your landing. So then let's head downstairs. So hopefully by now you're already picturing yourself and your family in this property. But wait until we get downstairs because there is more, trust me. So we'll head downstairs, back to your entrance. So just here we have a storage cupboard to our right and then a further just on the left. So ample storage. And then we have a final bathroom just in here. So again, you wouldn't expect anything else. Contemporary, high standard. You have your WC, wash hand basin, your designer radiator, and you maybe weren't expecting this, but then a shower also. So again, enclosed shower with your thermostatic and rainfall head. So that is your third and final bathroom. So then continuing the tour, we head into your living room space. Now we open up this door and it brings us into this really inviting, peaceful, incredibly spacious living room space. So bright as well, it's just perfect. So again, you've got your downlighters. You have that big window to the front, again, for you to take full advantage of the views of the Lomond Hills. You have a designer radiator just there also. Isn't this just a brilliant sized family living room? So peaceful as well. Let me trying to give you an idea of just how generously sized this room is. So hopefully you're just imagining yourself sitting here and just relaxing, but you're probably wondering what's behind these doors. So we slide this open and look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So much to talk you through in this space here. But this is the real heart of the home. You can just picture family, friends, socialising. Such a great space. So let's start. So you have your dining area space here. So plenty of room for, as I say, family, friends. You have your designer radiator on the wall just over there. You obviously have those gorgeous bifolds. And as you can imagine, that's them open and you cannot hear a thing. It's so peaceful here. It is just perfect. And then as we pan around, you have your kitchen space. So that door just takes you back into the hallway. You have your breakfasting area just there. But look at this. As well, for when these are closed, you do then also have electric blinds here as well, so remote controlled blinds, so nice and convenient. But then heading back into the kitchen area. So plenty of cabinet and worktop space. So in terms of features then, so you have your induction hob with your built-in extractor that takes the fumes away. You then have, you can just see the lights. So you have kind of integrated lights under the worktop space. You then, as we pan around, you have your cooker tap, so you're getting that instant hot water. Plenty of, obviously, sockets. Again, the chrome finish, so your attention to detail. And I just love this space as well. You can just obviously imagine socialising, people sitting. It's just a great space. Then on the wall behind us, just here, so you have integrated fridge freezer and then your double oven. So this is your kitchen space. Absolutely love this. So spoilt with this property. That's just a sneak peek at the garden to the rear, but we're going to keep heading through. So then just behind this door here, you have your utility space. So again, further storage and cabinet space. You have space for your washing machine as well, which is great, slightly elevated. So that's a great plus. You just obviously have your exit to the rear garden. Just through that door is into your integrated garage. But this is a great space, especially if you've got kids, if you've got pet, try and keep all the mess in one area because you do not want to be messing up your immaculate home. But look at this. You will, again, never get bored of this. It's just beautiful. So then let's head out into the garden. So you can just imagine the barbecues, family and friends coming in and out. And we've got a beautiful day as well today. So we are just about 12:30 and we've got the sun in the garden for you to really enjoy. So peaceful here as well. But this is your landscaped garden to the rear, so plenty of decking and seating area just there. And then that's just your access to get round back to the front. I'm just trying to give you an idea of the size of your garden. Just perfect. I could sit here all day and soak up the sun. And hopefully you can imagine yourself doing that as well by now. And then looking back into your property just there. So let's recap number 25. That was the personal property tour for 25 Main Street, Kingskettle. As you've just seen for yourself, stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, detached family home. Absolutely immaculate inside, contemporary high standard finish throughout, while getting to take full advantage of those gorgeous views to the front, while being situated in the really peaceful and idyllic location of Kingskettle. Still with your amenities close by as well. You're just a couple of minutes drive and you're at Ladybank, where there's the shop, the butchers, and also Ladybank Train Station for commuting. You're only about a 10-minute drive as well, and you can be into Cupar, where there's further shops, butchers, bakers, doctors, dentists, and of course the Cupar train station for further commuting to Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. So you're getting everything within close proximity. This absolutely stunning family home, while being in a gorgeous village and the lifestyle that it has to offer. So if you'd like to get further details of this property, you can click the link, you can message me directly, or alternatively you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.